Joel Garner, the big bird of West Indies cricket. Joel Garner, born 16th December 1952, is a former West Indian cricketer and a member of the highly regarded late 1970s and early 1980s West Indies cricket teams. Garner is the highest-ranked one-day international bowler according to the ICC best-ever bowling ratings and is 37th in tests. He was known for his towering height of 6 feet 8 in 2.03 m, which gave him a lethal bounce and accuracy. He was nicknamed Big Bird by his teammates and fans. Early life and career. Joel Garner was born in Enterprise, Christchurch, Barbados. He was the older of two boys. When he and his brother were very young, his parents migrated to Canada and the United States, and they were left in the care of their grandparents. Cricket was popular and Garner played it as a child. He first attended St. Christopher's Boys' Primary School, which was held in the local Anglican church. He attended secondary school at Foundation Boys and played cricket for the school where he played as an all-rounder. He was coached by former West Indian players Seymour Nurse, Charlie Griffith and Gary Sobers, who taught him how to use his height and bowling skills effectively. He first came to the attention of Somerset while playing for Littleborough in the Central Lancashire League. He replaced Sir Gary Sobers as the club's paid man for the 1976 season, continuing in the role for the 1977 and 1978 seasons. International debut and success. Garner made his international debut for West Indies in 1977 against Pakistan in a test match. He took 4 wickets in his first innings and impressed with his pace and bounce. He was a part of the West Indies team that won their second world title in the 1979 Cricket World Cup. He took 5 wickets for 38 runs in the final against England, including a devastating spell of 4 wickets in 5 balls at the end of the innings. He finished the tournament as the leading wicketaker with 21 scalps. He formed a formidable fast bowling partnership with Michael Holding, Andy Roberts, Colin Croft, and later Malcolm Marshall, Curtly Ambrose, and Courtney Walsh. The West Indies reached unprecedented heights in the Test and one-day cricket arenas, not losing a Test series in 15 years. Garner was especially effective in the limited overs format, where he used his yorkers and bouncers to trouble the batsmen. He had an economy rate of 3.09 runs per over in ODIs, the best among bowlers who have bowled more than 1,000 balls. Records and achievements. Garner played 58 test matches and took 259 wickets at an average of 20.97. He took 7 5-wicket hauls and had a best bowling of 6 for 56. He also scored 672 runs at an average of 12.44, with the highest score of 60. He played 98 ODIs and took 146 wickets at an average of 18.84. He took 3 5-wicket hauls and had a best bowling of 5 for 31. He also scored 239 runs at an average of 9.19, with the highest score of 37. He holds the record for the best bowling figures in a World Cup final, with 5 for 38 in 1979. He also holds the record for the best bowling figures in a Benson and Hedges World Series Cup final, with 5 for 30 in 1987. He is the only bowler to have taken more than 100 wickets in the World Series Cup, with 146 wickets in 83 matches. He is also the only bowler to have taken a hat-trick in a World Series Cup match against Sri Lanka in 1986. Retirement and post-cricket career. Garner retired from international cricket in 1987 after the World Cup in India and Pakistan. He continued to play for Somerset until 1986 and for South Australia in 1982 to 83. He also played for Barbados until 1987. He was awarded the Order of the British Empire, OBE, in 1986 for his services to cricket. After his retirement, he became involved in cricket administration and coaching. He served as the president of the Barbados Cricket Association from 1994 to 1996 and as the manager of the West Indies team from 2000 to 2004. He also served as the president of the West Indies Players Association from 2004 to 2006. He was a member of the ICC Cricket Committee from 2005 to 2013. He was inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame in 2010. He also worked as a commentator and analyst for various media outlets, such as BBC, Sky Sports, and ESPN. He was known for his insightful and humorous commentary, as well as his distinctive voice and accent. He also participated in several charity events and causes, such as the Lord's Taverners, the Cricket Foundation, and the Joel Garner Foundation. Personal life and family. Garner married his first wife, Glenda, in 1978. They had 2 children, a son, Joel Jr., and a daughter, Janelle. They divorced in 1997. He married his second wife, Suzanne, in 2002. They have a daughter, Jodie. Garner is a devout Christian and attends the St. Matthias Anglican Church in Barbados. He is also a keen golfer and enjoys playing with his friends and former teammates. He is a fan of Manchester United Football Club and follows their matches regularly. He is also a lover of music and likes to listen to reggae, calypso, and soul. Legacy and influence. Garner is widely regarded as one of the greatest fast bowlers of all time and one of the most influential cricketers in the history of West Indies cricket. He is admired for his skill, consistency, and professionalism, as well as his humility and sportsmanship. He is a role model and mentor for many young cricketers, especially from Barbados and the Caribbean. He is also respected and loved by his fans and peers, who appreciate his contribution to the game and the society. He has been honored and recognized by various institutions and organizations for his achievements and services. He has a stand named after him at the Kensington Oval in Barbados, and a road named after him in Enterprise, Christchurch. He has also received honorary doctorates from the University of the West Indies and the University of Bristol. He has been awarded the Barbados Jubilee Honour, the Barbados Service Star, and the Barbados Centennial Honour. He has also been named as one of the Wisden Cricketers of the Year in 1980 and one of the Wisden Cricketers of the Century in 2000. Trivia and fun facts. Garner is the tallest player to have played Test cricket, along with Mohammad Irfan of Pakistan. Garner is the only player to have taken more than 100 wickets in both the World Cup and the World Series Cup. Garner is the only player to have taken a hat-trick in both Test and ODI cricket for West Indies. He took a hat-trick against Australia in a Test match in 1981 and against Sri Lanka in an ODI match in 1986. Garner is the only player to have taken 5 wickets in an innings in both the World Cup final and the World Series Cup final. He took 5 for 38 in the 1979 World Cup final and 5 for 30 in the 1987 World Series Cup final. Garner is the only player to have scored a 50 and taken 5 wickets in an innings in the same Test match twice. He did it against England in 1979 and against India in 1983. Garner is the only player to have taken 4 wickets in 5 balls in a World Cup match. He did it against England in the 1979 World Cup final. Garner is the only player to have taken more than 10 wickets in a Test match without taking a 5-wicket haul in either innings. He took 4 for 130 and 6 for 56 against England in 1980. Garner is the only player to have taken more than 50 wickets in a single season of the World Series Cup. He took 51 wickets in 14 matches in 1986-87. Conclusion. Joel Garner is a legend of West Indies cricket and one of the finest fast bowlers the world has ever seen. He was a key member of the dominant West Indies team that ruled the cricket world for more than a decade. He was a master of his craft, who used his height, pace, and accuracy to terrorize the batsmen. He was also a gentleman of the game, who played with dignity and respect. He is a hero and an inspiration for millions of cricket fans and players across the globe. He is truly the big bird of West Indies cricket. Dear viewers, we have tried our best to provide you an informative video. Please comment that how did you find this video, because your comments and opinion are very important to us. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumb up so that you may be updated for our every effort regarding upcoming video. Take care of your good self.